Hello everyone, good evening and welcome to the class. How are you all doing? Welcome to Vedantu Malayalam channel. I'm Sana Khan, your mathematics master teacher, and today I have brought for you the last lecture of the chapter Trigonometric Functions. Okay, today we are basically going to learn about the laws and identities of trigonometry, where we will see the trigonometric functions of sum and differences of two or more than two angles. Okay, so how are you guys doing? I hope you are doing fine. Yes, let me know in the chat box quickly. So, we already discussed the syllabus of this chapter. It included about basically we learned about the introduction of trigonometry, its function, its degree and radian measurements. Then in like last lecture we learned about the signs of trigonometric function, their domain and range, and today we will be learning about the sum and differences of the two angles. All right, so yes, welcome all of you. This is all the topics which we have already completed. Okay, so today we will learn basically about some identities of trigonometric functions, some formulas with the help of which we can solve any complex problem of trigonometric functions. Okay, so we will basically learn about negative functions, co-functions, same functions, and trigonometric functions of sum and differences of two angles. Okay, now give me just 1 minute. I'll bring my phone so that I can see your chat box. I forgot to keep it here. I'll be back in 30 seconds. Okay. Yeah, I'm back. Did I take longer than 30 seconds? Okay, I hope not. I hope not. Fine. So, yeah, I have brought my phone. Now I can see your chat as well. Okay, guys. So, should we start with negative functions? Good evening, everyone, and welcome. Yeah, let's begin. Let's get started. So, negative function basically means what is going to happen when our trigonometric functions have a negative input. What do they have? They have a negative input. Okay. So, once again. Basically, what will happen if you have, if you want to find out the value of sine of minus x, cos of minus x, tan of minus x. So basically, when we observed the graph of negative trigonometric functions, we observed that sine of minus x is nothing but minus sine x. The minus sign comes outside. Okay. Cos of minus x is plus cos x. It is positive. That means cos 30 degree and cos minus 30 degree, they both are same thing, right? Voice is very low. Okay, let me increase my voice. Okay, fine now. Yeah. So basically, these are the rules that define that it will be a negative or a positive output. Okay. Hi, Shreyansh. So tan of minus x is minus tan x, cosec minus x is minus cosec x, sec of minus x is sec positive, and cot of minus x is negative. So basically, cos and secant are positive, all the remaining negative. Fine, understood? Let's do a quick question. What is the value of cos minus 180 degree? Who's gonna tell me? Cos minus 180 degree will be, cos is always Positive. Just now we have seen that cos and sec are positive. All the remaining become negative. Right? So cos of minus 180 degree will be cos 180 degree. And what is the value of cos 180 degree? Tell me. How much is cos 180? 0? Cos 0 and cos 180. Think about it. It's not 0. It's not 0. It is minus 1. So cos 180 degree is minus 1. That's your answer. Okay. Next, cofunctions. Now, what are cofunctions? Basically, a trigonometric function gets transformed into another trigonometric function, basically in pair, when there is a difference of 90 degree. When the angle is basically having a difference of 90 minus x or 90 plus x. Okay. Pi by 2 minus x or pi by 2 plus x, then the trigonometric function changes. Cos becomes sine, sine becomes cos, but not always. Let's understand the rule here. Okay. So whenever I am subtracting the degree value with 90 degree, cos becomes sine, sine becomes cos. Tan becomes cot and cot becomes tan. Okay. But when I'm adding 90 degree to the angle, cos pi by 2 plus x becomes minus of sin x. Okay. Similarly, sin pi by 2 plus x is positive cos x. Tan pi by 2 plus x is negative cot x, and cot pi by 2 plus x is negative tan x. Okay. So just like sine and cos relationship, we can also establish relationship between cosec and sec. Same sign rule will be followed. Understood what are cofunctions? Let's do a question. Find the value of acute angle x if sin x is equal to cos 20 degree. Now, how can I convert sine into cos, cos into sine? Because on the left hand side, I have sine function. On the right hand side, I have cos function. How can I exchange them both? So, what I'm doing here is, let me write it as cos 20 degree can be written as cos 90 minus 70 degree. 20 can be written as 90 minus 70. And what is cos 90 minus x? It is sin x. So this becomes basically sin x is equal to sin 70 degree, right? Because cos 90 minus x is sin x. So cos 90 minus 70 is sin 70. This implies that x is 70 degree. Understood? Ma'am, I got admission in NIT Calicut. Wow, that's so awesome. Congratulations. Well done, well done. Alright guys, next is same function. So, what happens and at what angular difference do we get same function? So, we observed that when a function is being basically moved ahead or moved back by pi radian. Okay. So when you add pi or you subtract pi, we observed that the function is not changing. Only the positive and the negatives are changing. Only the sign is changing. Okay. So cos pi minus x becomes minus cos x. Sin pi minus x remains sin x. Okay. Tan pi minus x becomes minus tan x. Cos pi plus x is minus cos x. Sin pi plus x is minus sin x. Tan pi plus x is tan x. Okay. So these are the basic rules here. Now which are positive? Let's remember them. Remaining negative. Simple, easy to remember, okay. So sine pi minus x is sine x, tan pi plus x is tan x, all other remaining negative. Clear? Let's do a question on that. So, prove that 3 times of sine pi by 6 secant pi by 3 minus 4 times of sine 5 pi by 6 cot pi by 4 is 1. Let's solve it. 3 into sine pi by 6 into secant pi by 3 into, minus 4 into sine 5 pi by 6 into cot pi by 4. Okay. So this is my left hand side. Let me solve it. 3 into, what is sine pi by 6? Sine 30 degree. How much? 1 by 2. Secant pi by 3. Secant 60 degrees. How much? Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. So secant 60 degrees 2 minus 4 into sine 5 by 6. 5 pi by 6 is how much? We don't know. So basically sine 5 pi by 6 can be written as sine pi minus pi by 6. Pi minus pi by 6 will be 5 pi by 6, right? Now just now we have seen that sine pi minus x is how much? It is sine x. So this is sine pi by 6 only. So this becomes sine pi minus pi by 6 and cot pi by 4 is how much? 1, right? So 2 cancels. 3 minus 4 into sine pi by 6. Now what is sine pi by 6? Sine 30 degree. How much is sine 30 degree? 1 by 2. So this is 3 minus 4 into 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 3 minus 2 is 1. This is right hand side. Hence proved that left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Proved. Clear to everybody how we are solving it? Okay. Oh, we had more space, but it's fine. So, if you have understood everything till now, solve this homework question and comment the answer quickly. Let me see you can solve it or not. Alright. Chalo. Now let's learn about the trigonometric functions of sum and differences of two angles. First is compound angles formula. What happens when we are adding two angles? So basically sine of x plus y. For example, sine 20 plus 70 or sine 7, let's not take 7, sine 60 plus 30 is how much? So we can find the value. We have the formula sine x plus y is sine x cos y plus cos x sine y, SC plus CS. Cos of x plus y is CC minus SS. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Remember, here it is plus, but here it is minus. Now, sin x minus y is sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. So, minus, minus. Fine. But cos x minus y is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. So, in cos, the sign changes. In sin, the sign does not changes. Okay. Alright. Tan of x plus y is tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x tan y. Tan x minus y is tan x minus tan y upon 1 plus tan x tan y. Cot x minus y is simply put in the tan formula, you put cot, you get your answer. Cot x cot y plus 1 upon cot y minus cot x cot y minus 1 upon cot x plus cot y. This is the formula for cot x plus y. Okay. Let's see what type of question can be asked from this formula. If sin x is 3 by 5, cos y is minus 12 by 13, where x and y both lie in second quadrant. Find the value of sin x plus y. So, sin x is given, cos y is given. But they are asking value of sin x plus y. Now sin x plus y formula is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So I need the value of cos x and sin y. I don't have that value. So what I will do? First of all, I will find out the value of cos x and sin y. Okay. How to do that? Simple. In the previous class, we have learnt an identity. Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Sin square x is 3 by 5 whole square. Cos square x is equal to 1. So cos square x is 1 minus 9 by 25. So cos square x is basically 16 upon 25. So cos x is plus minus 4 by 5. Now, plus or minus, which sign we will take? It is clearly written here, x and y both lie in the second quadrant. Both of them are in the second quadrant. So what is the sign rule? Remember, all silver tea cups. Sign is positive in the second quadrant. So cos will be negative. Okay. So we will take only minus 4 by 5. Clear? Okay. Next is sin square y plus cos square y is 1. Now sin square y, we don't know. Cos square y is 12 by 13 whole square is 1. So sin square y is 1 minus 144 upon 169. 169 minus 144 is 25. So sin y is square root of 25 upon 169. So sin y is how much? Hi Fahad. 5 by 13. Now it will be positive because sin is positive in the second quadrant. Now we have value of everything. Sin x is how much? Oh, we don't have space. Oh, we had space here. Sorry. Okay. So now we have simply sin of x plus y is sin x cos y cos x sin y. Sin x is 3 by 5. Cos y is minus 4 by 5. We calculated, hai na? Cos y is here. Minus 12 by 13. Cos x is minus 4 by 5. Sin y, we calculated 5 by 13. Right? Putting everything in the formula, 5 getting cancelled, nothing else is getting cancelled. So 12 3s are 36. 13 into 5, 65. Here also let's not cancel now, it will be easier to calculate. So 5 4s are 20, 13 5s are 65. So we have minus 56 upon 65. This is your answer. Okay. So we have put the value of sin x cos y cos x sin y. Before that we calculated the value of cos x and sin y. Alright. Moving on to find the value of sin 15 degree. So how much is sin 15 degree? We don't know. Sin 15 degree. But I know the value of 45 degree. I know the value of 30 degree. So can I write sin 15 degree as sin 45 minus 30? I can write sin 15 as 45 minus 30. Now what is sin x minus by? This is sin of x minus y. What is the formula? Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Now I will put it here. So sin x is sin 45 degree cos 30 degree. Cos 45 degree sine 30 degree. Now tell me quickly what is sine 45. Who will tell me how much is sine 45 degree? Tell me. How much is sine 45 degree? 1 by root 2 cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree. Anyone? Come on, tell me what is cos 30 degree. Who's gonna tell me? No one. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 1 by root 2. Sin 30 degree 1 by 2. Clear? Let's solve it. How much you are getting? So we will get basically root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. Root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2, that is the value of sine 15 degree. Clear everybody? Okay. Next question is very interesting. It is asking to prove that tan 3x tan 2x tan x is tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. Looks very difficult, but it is very easy. Which formula are we going to use here? We have a formula basically tan of x plus y. Now I can write tan 3x as tan 2x plus x, right? Now what is tan of x plus y? This is x, this is y. Tan of x plus y is tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x tan y. Now simply we will do cross multiplication, right? Okay. Now we do cross multiplication. We get tan 3x minus tan x tan 2x tan 3x is equal to tan 2x plus tan x. Now, are we getting closer to what we needed to prove? Yes. This implies that tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x is equal to tan x tan 2x tan 3x. This is what we had to prove. Hence proved. Hence proved. This is what was asked in the question. Tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x is tan x tan 2x tan 3x. Okay. Next is double angle formulas. These formulas are very important. They are highly used in a lot of questions. Okay. Double angle formula is what will happen if you want to find the value of sine 2x. For example, sine 2 times of 45 degree. How will you do that? The formula is 2 sin x cos x. Okay. Sine 2x is 2 sin x cos x. Similarly, sine 2x can also be written as 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. Okay. 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. Okay. Cos 2x can be written as 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. Also written as cos square x minus sin square x. Okay. And tan 2x can be written as 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x, and cot 2x is represented as cot 2x cot square x minus 1 upon 2 cot x. Okay. So this is basically if you have a single angle value, you can find the double angle value also. Okay. Let's understand how to apply it to question. Suppose it is given tan A is 3 by 4. Find the value of sine 2A, cos 2A, tan 2A. How we will do that? Now I know the value of tan A, right? So if I know the value of tan A, what will be sin 2A? Sin 2A formula is, just now we have seen, sin 2x is how much? See, sin 2x is sin 2A. Now you will say it is 2 sin x cos x, but in the question they have given you the value of tan A. So we will use this formula. Okay. So sin 2A is 2 times of tan A upon 1 plus tan square A. So this is 2 times of 3 by 4 upon 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square. So 2 2s are 4. I have 3 by 2 upon 16 plus 9 whole upon 16. So this is basically 3 by 2 into 16 upon 25. So 2 8 is 16, 8 3 is 24. I am getting 24 upon 25. This is sin 2A value. Okay. Next, what is cos 2A? Cos 2A formula. What is cos 2A? Remember? How will we calculate cos 2A? How will we calculate cos 2A? Anyone? Cos 2A is 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. So it is 1 minus 3 by 4 whole square upon 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square. So this is 1 minus 9 by 16 upon 1 plus 9 by 16. So this is 16 minus 9 upon 16 into 16 upon 16 plus 9, cancel. 16 minus 9 is 7 upon 25. This is the value of cos 2A. Okay. Lastly, we have tan 2A. Now what is the value of tan 2A? The formula is 2 tan A upon 1 minus tan square A. So 2 into 3 by 4 upon 1 minus 3 square by 4 square. So this is 2 2s are 4, 3 by 2 into 16 upon 16 minus 9, 7, right? So 2 8 is 16, 8 3 is 24. The answer is 24 upon 7. Alright, everybody understood? If you have the value of tan A, how can you find out sin 2A, cos 2A, tan 2A? We have direct formula. Okay. Next is triple angle formulas. What is the value of sin 3x, cos 3x, tan 3x? Okay. Sin 3x is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Cos 3x is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. And tan 3x is 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. Okay. Now, some more identities which are used regularly, which you have learned in class 10th as well. 1 plus tan square x is secant square x. 1 plus cot square x is cosec square x. And 1 minus sin square x is cos square x. Remember, let's solve a question based on this. Prove that secant A into 1 minus sin A, secant A plus tan A is equal to 1. Left hand side is secant A 1 minus sin A, secant A plus tan A. Let us all convert them into sin and cos. Sec A is 1 upon cos A into 1 minus sin A into 1 upon cos A plus sin A upon cos A. Fine. 1 upon cos A into 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A whole upon cos A. Right? Now 1 minus sin A, 1 plus sin A. 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A is how much? 1 minus sin square A. Why? A plus B into A minus B is what? A square minus B square. So this is 1 minus sin square A upon cos A into cos A. Cos square A. Now 1 minus sin square is how much? See, 1 minus sin square x, cos square x. So this is cos square A upon cos square A, which is 1, which is the right hand side. Hence proved. This is what we had to prove, है ना? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Alright, simple. Next, using the formula of sin A plus B cos A plus B, we have derived the formula for cos X cos Y. That is cos A cos B. Two different angles, okay? Sin X sin Y. Sin X cos Y cos X sin Y. So if you have like cos cos different angle, sin sin different angle. Similarly, sin cos different angle, cos sin different angle. These are the formulas that you have to use. Okay, these are basically the product formula. Here you are finding out the product of two angles. है ना? Let's put it here. Find the value of sin 75 into sin 15 degree without actually evaluating the value of sin 75 and sin 15 degree. Now here this is example of sin x, sin y. What is the formula for sin x, sin y? Cos x minus y minus cos x plus y upon 2. Let's put it in the formula. So here x is 75 degree, y is 15 degree. So sin 75 degree into sin 15 degree is cos 75 minus 15 minus cos 75 plus 15 whole divided by 2. Cos 60 degree minus cos 90 degree whole divided by 2. How much is cos 60 degree? Somebody please tell me. How much is cos 60 degree and how much is cos 90 degree? Anyone? Very easy. Very easy question I am asking. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Cos 90 degree is 0 whole divided by 2. So it is 1 by 2 divided by 2. That is 1 by 4. This is my answer. My answer is 1 by 4. That's it. We don't need to do anything else. Okay. So sin 75 into sin 15 is 1 by 4. Understood? Okay. Next is factorization formulas. Now, what if I want to find the value of cos x plus cos y? Cos x minus cos y. Sin x plus sin y, sin x minus sin y. So these are the formulas which we can use. Okay. So for example, here we have the formula cos pi by 4 plus x plus cos pi by 4 minus x is root 2 cos x. I have to prove this. Okay. Now just now I have seen the formula of cos x plus cos y is this. Let me put it. Okay. So cos, here this is x and this is y. Okay. So this will become 2 times of cos of pi by 4 plus x plus pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 plus x minus pi by 4 minus of minus x plus x. Okay. So this becomes x cancel, pi by 4 cancel. Divided by 2 should be there. Okay. So this is divided by 2, this is divided by 2. So this becomes 2 times of cos 2 into pi by 4 divided by 2 into cos 2x divided by 2. 2 cancel, 2 cancel. So I get 2 times of cos pi by 4 into cos x. Okay. So 2 times of cos pi by 4 into cos x. What is the value of cos pi by 4? 1 by root 2 into cos x. Root 2 is a 2. So I get root 2 cos x. Now this is my right hand side. This is my right hand side. This is what I had to prove. Hence proved. LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. So you can write here LHS is this. Okay. So just by substituting in the direct formula, we have got the answer very easily. Alright, everybody understood and clear? How are we applying the formulas? Okay guys, then that's all for the day. This is the homework question for all of you. Solve it and comment the answer quickly for me. I'll see whether you are able to solve these type of questions or not. Okay, so finally we have completed the chapter. We have learned about negative functions, co-functions, sum and differences of two angles, and this chapter is complete. I have made a mind map of all the formulas so that you can easily revise it before your exam. So triple angle formulas, identities, factorization formulas, double angle formulas, compound angle formulas, all are listed over here for your ease. Okay guys, now if you want notes of the lecture, quickly join our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it to get daily updates, assignment links, notes and everything else. Okay. And if you're somebody new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe, because if you don't subscribe, you won't get the daily notifications. You won't get to know what is coming up for you, right? So do subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Leave your comment and share your feedback. It is super valuable to us. Thank you guys. See you in the next class. Now, next we will be bringing for you chapter number 4. Yeah, 3 chapters we have completed. We'll be bringing for you chapter number 4. Till then, take care. Have fun. Bye bye. Bye guys.